We're looking at it right now. It's moving to the east-northeast generally, but I mean, if you are in Moore, I would go ahead and get underground right now. Violent tornado, and this thing is picking up debris. We just zoomed in. We saw the debris. Now, of course, the trees are a little bit in the way, so you can't see it actually at the ground, but this is definitely causing a lot of damage right now.
Damon and Rusty, the thing that I would caution everybody on, every storms we saw yesterday, they would produce a tornado and it would come back, it would go back up. This one has gotten stronger and stronger and stronger. We have not seen any weakening at all.